You shouldn't have gave him your number.
She's on the
phone. Read that again? I didn't catch it, sorry.
So, yeah, if you could tell me something. So, being me and not wanting to be a witch.
Bitch.
Witch.
a bitch.
Witch. Well, I said, yeah, sure. And he said, okay, well, in 5th grade, I had a crush on you all through 5th. Then in 6th, I still did. Well, now that I saw you again, you look so good. You're really pretty, and yeah.
That's creepy.
I'm like, so scared. Why is everyone like, oh my god. I don't know.
Damien's a fucking pervert and I hate him.
Hi. So, can I call you back when I'm home? Alright, I love you. Bye.